In this video, just we are going to know about the page speed analysis of a website. So here we'll be checking how we can check the speed of a web page, how much time it is taking to load over the internet. So here you can see one term is called overall load. So that means the time taken for the site to load. If people they are clicking on your website link, so actually how much time it is taking to load over there in their devices, whether it is mobile or it is laptop and desktop, right? So your website it should take to load less than 5 seconds, and but if it is loading within 3 seconds, that means you can consider your website speed is very good, right? So here we can see some other tools over there. So through these tools you can go and you can check your website speed in both the version, in laptop and desktop and mobile also. So this one tool is called tools.pingdom.com, Google Speed Insight and GT Metrix. So here we can will be seeing the real example how to check with the Google Speed Insights. So this is the best tool over here. Simply it's a Google platform and you can check your website speed for both the version, right? So simply again we'll be going to Google, and here just you have to type page speed insight. So if you typing like this, so the first page it will be coming with the Google, yes, developer.google.com. Here you have to go and you have to click on that link, and here just you have to paste your website URL. So after pasting your website URL, just click to analyze. So this tool it will be calculating the page speed for your website. Okay, so now we can see here the score we are getting over here, it's 19. So somewhere we'll have to work on this part. So if it is getting in green color, that means somewhere the mobile score you are getting more than 90. So definitely your page speed is very good. And if it is going in between 50 to 89, so it is on average, right? So here we can see this is showing for the mobile version, right? So in mobile devices, this website is taking too much time to load, right? In fact, it is not loading the complete page within 5 seconds. Simply you can check for the desktop as well. Just click on desktop. So here we can see the score is 70. So here we can see it has a good score, right? So we can work a little bit more to increase the speed of this site or the particular page. So like that way you can check this, and here you will be also seeing the other information from where you can optimize the things. You can reduce the file size, and you can increase the speed, page speed of your website.